Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Lite, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So before we get started, there is one thing that I will need, which is a simple cable that you use for charging. Plug it into your computer and just have it ready on the side. So from there we'll need to shut off the device by holding the power key. This device. Let's try that again. There we go. So once the device shuts off, you want to grab the cable and start holding volume down on the phone. So as you can see, just gonna place it. So while holding volume down, you want to plug it in. And there we go. You can see that it automatically turns on into Fastboot mode. So I'm just gonna unplug it now. So that is how you put the device into the Fastboot mode. And if you want to leave it, all you really need to do is hold power key or power key and volume down, whichever one you like. Both of them work basically the same way. Here it says volume down and power, but just hold it, and after about 10 seconds the device shuts off and this basically leaves the mode. There we go. And it automatically turns back on, as you can see right now. So let's just wait a little bit longer and we should be back in Android. And as you can see, we're now in Android. So that is how you would put the device in and out of Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.